How to make this split text animation using Canva. At first, open a blank video page. Change the background to orange color. Add a text box and write "split." Increase the text size and use a bold font. Change the font color to white. You can also add some font effects. Now, download this design as PNG format. Upload the same image and drag it into the canvas. Now, split the image into two parts by duplicating. Now, go to the timeline and duplicate the page 2 times. On the second page, add another text box and write 2 words, text effect. These will be the hidden word which will come out with the animation. Now, go to the first page and copy the split images to the second page. Now, place them up and down to the text effect. Minimize the page duration. Now, go to the transition option and apply match and move transition. You're done. Here is the final result. Now, download the video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more Canva tutorial.